welcome back to another video. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ding! I have a new product for you guys. It's from MIWISE. MIWISE. Ooh, I'm wise, I guess. I don't know. It's a smart Wi-Fi, rainbow colored, so cute. It also is compatible with Alexa. We are going to open this together. It says that there is music effects, 16 million colors, dimmable, and voice control, which would be either Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Ooh, this looks so good. Comes in a reel like this. It says, warning, do not roll up when using, which I would hope that makes sense. It looks very holographic and it looks very, very thin. There is right there. It has a user manual, RGB COB LED strips. And then under the box is the power supply. The power supply is input 100-240 volts, output is 24.0 volts, okay? And that looks like an aux to me, so I'm gonna say that is it. And then the last thing we have in the box is the remote and the rest of the connector for the light. Here's the remote. And here is the connector. This is the part that goes to the LED strip. And it has the voice on here and the music and the switch. So that is very, very cool. Very, very cool. Here is another manual that's explaining how to connect it with the Wi-Fi. There's an app that you download. Also this weekend, it is the weekend by the way, I want to kind of remodel my room, and my friend gave me this idea. Originally I wanted to put the strip lights in my closet because I find it very dark in there when I want to get dressed, you know, I want it to be bright. And she's like, yeah, but you also want to enjoy all the effects and you're not always in your closet, and you need light in your room too, this room, because by the way, there's like barely any light going on right now outside. And so she said, why don't you just put it around your bed and like have it light up that way? And I never thought of that, and I think that's such a great idea. So I am going to probably later today, I'm going to move the bed. It's horizontal now. I think I'm going to make it vertical or vice versa. I haven't really decided yet. But the metal frame, I'm going to put the strip. I'm looking at the bed right now, by the way. I'm going to put the strip on the frame. You know how they put it around the frame of your TV? I'm going to do that with my bed. And I think that'd be really cool for it to light up. I'm actually very excited about it. And then at night, when I want to read, I'm wondering if that would be a mild way to kind of read as well. I don't know. But I'll put all of that in little clips so you can see. But yeah, I'm really excited. Let's read some stuff on Amazon really quick. And I'll show you how I do with the app and stuff. And you'll see how I place it. And then that'll be, let's see. So COB RGB is different from regular. This is how it looks. So this is the new version, which looks way better, clearly. And then this is the older, not necessarily the older version, but a different kind. It's double layered pure copper, designed to provide excellent and reliable stability. Okay, okay. Easy DIY, that is me, easy DIY. Voice controlled and compatible with Alexa, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, those are the main points. This is not a techie channel, although I am a tech in real life. But I'm excited to see how this works. And yeah, I'll show you some clips. Okay, so here's what it looks like during the day with just natural light. And I didn't realize this, took me a while, but this is the sticky part. So this blue film comes off. And this is where the light shows, so I'm gonna stick that now around the perimeter of my bed. I'm gonna stick it like this, basically, up against, hold on, up against like that. So far, so good. It's pretty cool. So I have the lights around, but I also, there was enough to go under. So it's on the face part, and it's also on the under part, so you can see it also hitting the floor. This is how it looks so far. So cool. Okay, so now it's all blue. To match the blue there. I have to do one more color. Okay, now it's all green. It's officially dark. Besides the air purifier, which actually, let me turn that off really quick. It's gonna be dark in here. And whoa, so cool. Nala, what do you think? Oh. Do you like your new bed? Is it nice? So, what do you think about the lights, my love? What do you think about it, babe? You're like, I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. I like that one. Your eyes change. Nala, I love you. I love you. Good job, baby. So now it matches nice and cozy. Let me see if I can get it all together. Almost. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And until my next video, besos.